Editing the sound on videos can be a total nightmare, but I have something that's going to change that for you. This website helps you produce high quality professional sound, and the best part is that it's completely free. All you have to do is go to Adobe Enhance and upload the sound file from your video. Within a few seconds, it'll completely revamp the sound quality. Don't believe me? Take a look for yourself. If you have ADHD and you struggle to get things done, here's a tip that I use to help me with my productivity. I know what you're thinking. I've just saved you hours of time in editing. Don't forget to thank me in the comments.